In this quick video guide, we're going to see a website or a web app that can help us with the SEO or SEO or search engine optimization, you can call it however you like it. And this tool here is completely free and it's online, and you can access just by Googling the word, which is going to be Seobility in this case. And so let's type Seobility. You can access this one here, the first result. You can see you also have, you have the SEO checker, keyword checker, and other tools, but we're going to focus on the SEO checker. So you can go here, access on the main page. You need to create an account, and you also need to, you can access with Google, you can access with Facebook or other type of logins, but you need to basically create an account, log in, and then you will be able to use it. Now you will find like different plans. You have a free plan and also more professional plans. But if you're a beginner, if you want to use it just as a beginner, you don't need it. It's completely free. So in this case, I'm gonna jump into the free SEO checker, and again, you can see that you have all uh, the settings on the top. Now, all we need a web link, a URL. So I'm gonna just again make another search here. I'm gonna use this website. So it could be your website, could be like a project or a website for a client and so on. So I'm gonna go here I'm gonna pick like a random post like this Corinthian order, and I'm gonna just copy and paste the URL. So get that from the top, Control C or Control X, just paste it right here and go to analyze the website. So let's press analyze website and let's wait for the tool to work. There you go, it's pretty fast. Now you can see this is the score, so it's gonna give you like overall score, SEO score, and then here you can see like the different parts. So meta information like keywords and things like that, 77%. Page quality 90%. So this is pretty high. Page quality is like the content, how the content is considered. And the page structure also is really good. So how the page is actually structured, if it works good, if it has usability and things like that. Link structure, server. So this is like the performance of the server that you're using with your provider, your web space provider, and then also external factors. And here also we have response time, so we can see how much it's going to take to the page to load. So perhaps you have too many content, too many images, too much content, and this is probably causing a high response time. So you can see here the file size, the words. So if there are a lot of text and media, you can see everything here basically. So this is a list of SEO improvements that is going to suggest. So it's not only like evaluating your, it's not only an evaluation, an analysis of your web page, but it's also giving you some suggestions. So it's telling you add a meta description. So it's missing some meta that could increase this score right here. And also it's telling to remove the empty, bold, and strong tags from this page. So these are really specific sometimes. So you can see down here you have also meta specification and all the check marks, all the the analysis tasks that the web app has been doing. So you can go there and really go into the specific, go into the details. So it's a really long page, depending on also the page and the quantity of content. So this is the search preview. So this is why here it's a description is needed to have like more information also for the search engine. So this is a really important point and it's placed on the top. Also try to reduce the CSS heaviness and also the JavaScript heaviness, and remove duplicate adding text. So this is essentially all the information that is giving us. There are a lot of information. Even though this is a free beginner version, I think it's a really powerful and important tool that you can use for your website. And this will be it for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe for more, and check also our other video guides about web design, web development, graphic design, 3D, and many more that you will find in the channel. And if you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.